Good morning, everyone. We are out here in sunny Greer, South Carolina today at the BMW Performance Driving School. Now I'm in this beautiful 382 horsepower BMW M4 with Sienna right here. Right now we are on the slalom. So I'm going to give you a little demonstration of what that looks like now.
Alright, you got a cone right there, David. You gotta move the car further. Move the car further.
Now we are heading to the next exercise. That is the braking exercise. So basically what we have to do next is put our pedal to the max and have the car stop in as short of a distance as possible. We start out with slow speeds and slowly ramp up. As a passenger, I honestly don't think I'm ready for this. So Sienna, do you think you're ready for this?
Hell yeah.
That's what we like to hear. If you brake hard enough, you get a free car! Whoa! Okay, we're driving over to the 240s now, switching up our car from the 340i. This one's a mineral gray with coral red interior. Very pretty. Very nice. We're in the M240i. Sienna's gonna take a few hot laps right now. Done with the handling track, and Sienna absolutely crushed out there.
Guys, you all look pretty good there. Hop out and head over to the temperature.
So if you're wondering what lunch at the BMW Performance Center looks like, they got a buffet out there. We got some grilled chicken, beef tenderloin, rice pilaf, vegetable medley, and a side salad. All right, so right now we are in the emergency lane change maneuver. Basically, this exercise is supposed to simulate an obstacle appearing in the middle of the road and you're trying to avoid it. You want to turn the steering wheel as left and as right as possible. And this tandem movement is what's going to get you past the obstacle. Don't look at the cones though. Okay, so now we are done with the M240i's and the emergency lane change. It's time to go onto the skid pad in the M340i's. That's going to be interesting.
A lot of people like to think that the wheel make car turn and gas make car go and brake make car stop. Every single thing that you do, whether it's the wheel or the gas pedal or the brake pedal, it has an effect on the handling in your car. So we'll go into severe understeer. The way that we're going to do it is we're going to gradually increase our speed more and more, keep our eyes locked on that yellow line, use the wheel to stay at the yellow line until you hear that chirp, right? Come out of the throttle, and then come out of the wheel. Reduce your speed, reduce the amount of angle that you have on your steering wheel. 3, 2, 1, floor it. Find that yellow line. Off gas, hold the brake. Round. Let's try one more time. 3, 2, 1, go for it. Boom. Keep turning right. Easy.
It's time to begin the rat race. We got Sienna racing against David. Final round out here. We got Grant versus the BMW instructor. So who's gonna win? Let's find out. We're back in the M240i's, and this is the final activity that we'll be doing during the day.
25776.
So we're gonna race against each other and see who is the fastest around the autocross track here at the Performance Center.
Princeton, off you go. Yeah, Princeton carrying a pretty good charge of power through the slalom over there.
Stop at the box.
We just finished first round of the hot laps, and I got a time of 23.564. Currently the fastest among the other drivers. We got a 3-car group here. However, Sienna thinks she can beat me, so let's see if it's possible.
Sienna.
So we have just finished our autocross laps, and now it is time for the instructors to take us on one of their own. So this is going to be quite the experience. We got the M3 competition here that we'll be riding in today. So I'll show you how that looks like. Also, if you're curious how these cars do in terms of efficiency, well, the onboard computer says this has been getting 7.5 miles per gallon, and it's on fuel reserve, even though we started out the day with a full tank.